What? What do you got there?
The Supernova Benelli and the Super Modified Extended Mag 870.
What I'm talking about. You ready to go kill some ducks?
Yeah.
Or geese. Geese.
Geese.
Ben, talk to me.
It's day 2. We are excited. This is a brand new thing. Cloud9.
Cloud9.
Ready to do this.
Bring it. And come further. Come further. Right there. Heads up. Scale of 1 to 10. How excited are you right now?
Super pumped. We're about ready to go do a little murking of the snow geese. We're gonna murk them, fall out of the sky, left and right. If it flies, it dies, hopefully. Unless you miss, and then it'll fly away. But fingers crossed, fingers crossed.
So we just got to the parking spot here. It's, what is it? 6:28. And just kind of getting all our stuff together here. We've got a real yard sale going on, and I don't have my headlamp, so that's what's, I can't believe I did not bring that, but I didn't bring it in my luggage. So anyway, so I got on every piece of clothing that I pretty much own. Here's the story here. We're gonna be laying right out here. Wyatt's getting his dialed. Nice. Decoy game strong.
So strong.
So strong.
It's killer.
So we got these flappy things here. We got 1,500 decoys out. That's a few. That's a few. So we're just kind of setting up the ones that fell over last night, trying to get them back up, get everything situated. I don't know. I think we'll be hopefully shooting birds here shortly. Ben?
We're in the familiar X pattern. X marks the spot. Studies have shown that we don't know what we're doing.
What are we doing?
We're setting up the electronic collar.
Nice. Guys, this is Jeremy. This is our fearless guide.
I don't know about fearless.
Got a lot of fear. We're gonna get him today.
We're gonna try.
All right, that's all that we care about. What do you got there? Ooh,
A little gasoline in a can.
Red Bull.
Orange Bull. Are you familiar with the term?
The guys on the left shoot the birds on the left. Guys on the right shoot the birds on the right. Like if there's a bird way over here by Ryan, you shouldn't be shooting at it because it'll ring everyone. Don't shoot over everyone else. Yeah, whenever you get out of your blind, or whenever we stand up, just walking around, taking a break or whatever, take the one out of your action and put it in the chamber sideways. That way everyone knows it's safe.
Do you want us to have one in once we're all set up?
Yep.
Okay. Well then.
What? You locked and loaded?
Yeah.
Ready to rock and roll?
Yeah.
You got gloves?
Yeah.
Mag extended. Here we go, baby. Here we go.
All right, guys, we are doing it. We've just begun. Everybody's getting kind of dialed in here. Got the spread. Waiting for something to happen. Casey's drinking coffee. Yeah, good. Strong move.
I put them both on the opposite side of you.
Ben, what do you think so far? Thus far?
Oh man, this is so much fun.
Oh, here comes a pile of them. Oh my goodness. thus far, 0 shots fired. I don't know, it's only been an hour, maybe an hour. But there was birds, but they were just too high. They were circling too high. Talking to the guide, Jeremy, he was running out there right now, and
We have a couple beers tonight, and we crack me out.
I don't know what he's doing, but anyway, he's moving a couple of them. I don't know what that does. I asked him if he needed help. He said no. So, but there's birds. You can see them off in the distance. You'll see them fly around and fly by, and then they'll come, and then they'll circle a little bit. And so, I don't know. No clue. Update. Right, you ready?
Kill him!
Kill him! Kill him!
I'm just gonna keep shooting.
Nice job, gentlemen.
This thing's worked in pretty nice.
Why?
Could have been another 10 yards lower, but you know. Beggars
Still
can't
got
be
2 out of
choosers.
it. Yep.
Safe to say. Yeah,
Let's see that thing, what? First snow goose of the trip. Call that
A snow goose?
snow goose. Just a white bird, aren't they?
A small white bird, yes.
They're not that big.
No.
I expected them to be bigger. It was Canadian.
come on.
That was a Canada goose.
That was a Canada goose. Not legal. Not legal. We scare them.
Got us excited though.
It's slowed down a little bit. We got into it pretty heavy right out of the gates. It's amazing to see 1,000 birds swarming over your head. They're hanging out too high. The people that know what they're doing say that it's too many mature birds, not enough juvies that are dumb enough to come closer. So that's where we're at. Hoping for some dumb ones. That's what we need.
Yes! Oh boy. Yeah. Did you shoot?
No.
Oh, you drilled him, I think.
Yeah, first shot, baby.
First shot.
Ow!
Kapow!
In the face. Mag extended. Not needed.
How's first shot? Pala! Why? What happened there?
I was in the wrong position. I was sitting like this. So I feel if I got up, I would have probably tripped or did something. There'll be another chance.
Well, guys, it has been a barn burner. And by barn burner, I mean not anything on fire at all. It's been really slow. We just had a couple little things. We've sat in this field all day. A lot of birds going way high, but nothing really we can shoot at. Casey shot the last one. It was just a single, so. And to Casey, we just found out he's been searching. He lost his wallet somewhere in this field, so not the greatest right now. Morale's a little down, but we will find the wallet and we will find the birds, hopefully. And I just got caught snoring by Ben, so which is good. Just fell asleep just for a little bit. So we're gonna sit it till dark. We're gonna be laying in this field till dark. So hopefully just before dark they come on in and start working the decoys. So I guess tomorrow or tonight it's supposed to snow, and tomorrow's supposed to snow, so it does not sound too pleasurable, but we're gonna come do it again. Jeremy said they don't decoy very well with this kind of weather. He'd rather have it nice and blue sky and clear, so I don't know, but we'll see. We're just gonna keep after it, and we're learning something new. It's pretty fun. It's a lot of fun. That's about how today has went. Rough day here in South Dakota. Did not see it going like this. Closing statement for you guys.
We've seen a bunch of geese. They didn't quite come down close enough to the decoys, so we didn't quite get any shots. It is currently 7:50. It is cold outside. Hopefully tomorrow we'll have a better day.
That's right. You had fun though?
Yeah.
That's the main thing. We had fun. We had a good time. Yep. I'm gonna pick up these shells before I can't see them. Here we go, guys.